will guide you through how to connect and use USB to HDMI converter in your monitor. Before starting this video, please make sure don't buy video capture device. Video capture device and HDMI converter looks same, exactly same. So maybe you will confused, but it will not support this process. Okay, so don't buy this. You need to buy USB to HDMI converter. Okay. So first step, take your HDMI cable and connect to your monitor. Now take your HDMI converter and connect it. Now just connect it to your CPU. When you connect that, you will see a notification pop up or this type of screen. So just open that notification pop up or you will see this screen. Okay. Now you need to install this application. It is a driver. Just install this. Click on finish. It will restart your PC. After restarting, now just click window button and P button together, window plus P. And you will see this type of screen. Just go to extend and you will see your device is now extended.